May I come in, sir? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good morning to both of you.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your good name?
Chirag Pratap Singh.
Chirag Pratap.
Chirag.
Yes, sir.
Pratap Singh.
Okay.
Chirag ji, where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Delhi.
Which area in Delhi?
Mayur Vihar, phase 1.
Can you briefly tell us about yourself?
As you know, my name is Chirag Pratap Singh. I am basically from Delhi. I belong to a nuclear family. I have done my graduation in BCom honors from Delhi University. I aim to be a banker so that I can uplift my career in the banking field, and I like to travel a lot, and I often plan trips for my family members and friends as well.
Okay. So you have done your BCom.
Yes, sir.
BCom honors.
So, honors.
Yes, sir.
So you have done honors. So why don't you pursue your studies and further?
Actually, sir, I tried for chartered accountancy after BCom honors. So I cleared my BCom honors in 2017. I failed at intermediate 4 times. So after that, I decided that it is not my cup of tea. So after that, I explored my options. I find banking quite exciting job and a challenging job where I can learn. So I go for banking and I cleared my mains in my very first attempt.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. But what are the challenges being faced by banks?
Challenges?
Yeah.
So first of all, customers का मूड कैसा हो किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. उसके बाद प्रॉफिट मेकिंग.
कस्टमर इज ए चैलेंज.
सो बैंकिंग को बैंक जो है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कस्टमर से डायरेक्ट डील कर रहा है, तो कस्टमर को कैसे पिच इन करना है, कैसे उसको कि उससे हम फंड्स ले सकें, वो डिपॉजिट हमारे पास करे, फिर हम कैसे कस्टमर्स को लोन प्रोवाइड करेंगे, तो ये पूरा एक कंप्लीट चैलेंज है. फिर मार्केटिंग बैंक की मार्केटिंग कैसे करनी है, वो भी एक चैलेंज है.
This is a layman's reply. I expect from BCom honors person a little more in depth.
How do you say that customer is a challenge or customer is an opportunity? Because other than the customer, you have nothing.
Sir, every challenge is an opportunity.
No, bank cannot generate funds of its own. Bank cannot lend to itself. Bank cannot give the services to itself.
Right.
Bank has to give it to the customer. Customer is the only face, the business opportunity that bank has. Now what my friend is asking is that what are the challenges before the banking? Today when we are talking about banking, you say do you read the papers?
Yes, sir.
So what are the challenges? You think that everybody is talking that banking industry is under stress.
I understand now. I understand.
What are those challenges?
So first of all is NPA, increasing NPAs in the banks.
Yeah, right.
What is NPA?
Non-performing assets.
No, that is the full form of.
Okay. So when a bank does not receive any payments of interest or principal on a loan account for 90 days, it is termed as an NPA. And after that, there is 3 subdivisions of NPAs based on the period of the non-payment of the amount. So should I tell the subdivisions?
No. Generally, what you have said that okay, the concept should be clear. Concept you said more or less you said.
Okay.
But do you think that if a bank has, if as a lender, as a bank, my stress is that my money will not come back. How would a bank feel if all the money which is owed today comes back tomorrow? If all the loans of SBI are paid back tomorrow, will it be a good situation?
Well, yes, sir. Because as you said, if all the money comes back, the banks will have the money to lend again.
No. But again, you are not interested in lending because you are recalling all that loan. Everything you paid in the market, you lent to anybody, it has come back to you.
Sir, loan is paid, a loan is made to the customer so that ultimately at a point of time the customer will repay us with an interest. That is the amount that we are earning. And when the money comes, we again lend it. It is a cycle. The money comes, we lend to the customer, they repay us, we again lend to other customers.
So, being a commerce student, you must be aware about the monetary policy recently being
Yes, sir.
recently,
In Feb.
21, yeah. So, what are the salient features?
What are the?
Salient features.
So first of all, the RBI has not changed any rate of interest. No, the repo rate or CR. All the rates are same as before, as in December month. Apart from that,
Which rates?
sir, SLR, CRR, repo, reverse repo,
What is SLR?
statutory liquidity ratio. It stands for. It is the amount that bank has to maintain itself. It is the percentage of NDTL that bank has to maintain itself in the form of gold and government securities. It is currently it is at 18%. That's it.
Right. And CRR?
Cash reserve ratio. This is the amount that bank has to give to RBI. Currently it is at 3%. It is given in the form of cash in the current account with RBI, and no interest is received on this amount.
So, what is the effect of this CRR on the banking industry?
It ultimately affects the liquidity in the market. So if CRR and SLR are increased, the bank will be left with comparatively less amount of money. This will ultimately reduce the liquidity in the market, thus help in maintaining the inflation.
You must have seen in the notice in the last few weeks, maybe not very long time, just recent weeks, the Indian rupee has strengthened against the dollar. It is steadily
Increasing.
What could be the reason for this?
So it could be the restart of the economy, first of all, due to COVID-19. When the COVID-19 happens, every economy was at a standby. So after that, whenever everyone start to recover, it is a phase that who recovers fast. So India is kind of recovering at a high pace. That could be the reason of, like you said, the increase in the money value of Indian rupee.
So that could be the only reason.
That could be one of the reasons.
What are the other reasons?
I could not think of any other right now.
You've seen, do you know how the government interferes or manages the foreign exchange rate? Can you tell us anything about that?
I just know that it maintains under the Foreign Exchange Management Act. That's it I know. I don't know about foreign exchange. Sorry.
No, that is for the micro, for the individuals dealing in foreign exchange. I'm just talking about the government to government. Maybe how does the Reserve Bank of India intervene to maintain a particular price of the currency exchange rate?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Are you aware that recently there was some change about India's status as regards the country, the management, the foreign exchange management of the rupee?
No, sir.
What are the recent changes the US had about India's foreign exchange policy?
Actually, sir, I am not updated regarding this topic.
You heard that recently India's name was as a currency manipulator.
By US.
By
US, yes.
So that is I would suggest that you go through that.
I will definitely.
That is the primary reason why suddenly the Reserve Bank playing in the market. The market has there's a change in that, and the dollar is becoming weaker against the rupee.
Okay, I will definitely look into that.
So, what are your interests other than academics?
Sir, I like to travel. I basically travel around 3 to 4 places in a year.
Okay.
That is my only interest, I think. Apart from that,
don't read books.
The
last you read? Any book you last read?
I have a collection of books, yes, but due to studies, I was not able to. I can say that due to this process, this time period of study, I was not able to read any book. During school days, I used to read books, yes. So one of the book was The Lost Symbol by Dan Brown. That was, I think, the last book.
1-2 years back.
It was around school days.
School days.
That
So that reading habit.
because that was the time when we used to have a lot of time to do extra things.
Because in banks, there's a lot of volatility, and in a way, the things are changing day in and day out. So one has to be, apprised day in and day out.
Yes, sir.
So that habit is definitely required to be inculcated in one's facing. Suppose what sort of boss you would see to have, in bank.
No,
Yes.
What should be the qualities of a boss, you would like to work with?
Hello.
First of all, friendly nature.
Okay.
The person who understand you, that he knows that there might be scenes that areas that you don't know, that I don't know information about, and he is ready to help me instead of directly giving me a work and expecting me to give in solution to that. So friendly nature एंड वन टू वन कन्वर्सेशन जिससे हम ईजिली वन टू वन कन्वर्सेशन कर सकें, मतलब डर ना हो कि सर क्या कहेंगे, ये वाला सिचुएशन नहीं होना चाहिए.
Suppose you get a tough boss.
Then sir,
how would you deal with it?
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर कोई मेरे को प्रॉब्लम आएगी मैं डायरेक्टली पहले ट्राई करूँगा.
How would you interact with?
Well sir,
is a tough boss. You would fear speaking with him.
If I am right, I will not. If I am not sure about anything, I might first discuss with the colleagues, then I approach the boss. That could be the thing.
So this is how you like to interact with him. So this is the only option you have opted for, bank job, or you have applied for other
No
jobs
sir,
also?
this is the only job. Also I have only applied for the PO section, PO officer level.
So have you gone through this budget also?
A little bit, yes.
So what are the major changes which are expected to be brought in?
First of all, the budget was completely paperless. This was a unique
Apart
thing.
from that, what are the ingredients?
The thing in news is that the privatization of bank, 2 banks and 1 general insurance company, that is spreading across the news.
Which insurance? Okay.
This is I know about this
Only
only.
this much?
Yes.
So what about the IPO of any insurance companies being
LIC.
supposed to be brought? LIC?
It was proposed I think in last budget, but this year I don't know.
What else they intend to privatize other than banks?
I know only about the 2 banks and 1 general insurance company.
Okay. Air India, BPCL, have you heard?
No sir.
Okay. So you have not gone thoroughly into the budget?
No sir.
Okay.
But you are a student of economics. You are a student of you done BCom in that to honors. So a commerce student must be very aware, what is happening and what are the major changes being brought about. You should be, because you will be asked questions, very grilling questions on this. And another thing, what is your perspective? He has talked about the privatization part. We are saying that public sector banks, they should be privatized. Then insurance companies, then that FDA, limit has been increased way off. Where the dominating part will go to the foreign investor. So that you must see. And then what is your take on this? Do you think that it will be a good step for the economy, or it is after all, it was with fanfare that the banks were nationalized. It was considered that they have played the pivotal role in the economic growth of the country and taking the banks to the general people, to the people at large, and strengthening them in one way or the other. Private banks, how they can contribute to the same extent in the economy. Is it going to be good, or is it not going to be good, or is it going to be of no effect? Ultimately, because they are not going to privatize each and every bank. So there will be big banks in the public space also, and as well as in the private space also.
It's not only the question answer question. That part is over.
Okay.
With the mains, you are clearing the mains, that part is over. Now your perspective, as rightly said by sir, and what are your views on this? Positive or negative? What are your
On
views on
bank
this?
privatization.
Bank privatization, or the uh, privatization of insurance company and the other
And some other
aspects,
bigger companies and
bigger
Okay.
companies. Okay,
public
so
sector
you should have your
PSUs.
views. First of all, the views will be only there when you know the things,
Right.
hmm? And how it would affect the overall, economy of the country and the banking scenario of the country. Okay, so have you thought on this?
Well, sir, actually, the picture on the privatization is still kind of hazy. There is no concrete data as to what banks are to be privatized. What will be the
Material of that. Banks are to be privatized.
Should
This
they
is very
be
much there.
privatized or should they
No,
not be
yeah.
privatized? Just you should have a take on that. So
well,
what
if
is your take on that?
uh, I have actually not reached to a conclusion because there is always a pro and always a con of.
What are your views? What do you think? It's your brain you have to use.
Well, I,
Chirag,
all these things.
why he's asking you this question is that at least I feel that he also is you have good chances of selection being selected. You have fairly good chances of being selected. Banks are in need of people like you, and your education also is there.
That strengthens
that
the point.
that strengthens your chances. Again, when you say that I am BCom honors, the level of questions from you will go up substantially.
okay.
Then they will not ask you very very basic questions. They will, okay, what is double entry system? No, they are going to ask you pointed questions about the economy, about the conceptual skills to know that and after going to that level, you cannot come back and say, sir, I don't know, I have not gone into details. No, you are supposed to know that because they will believe that you have academic interest also in the subject and you study the economy as a student also. So you need to know. Please be aware about it.
Sure, sir.
Form your opinion. You should have your opinion and in a very very constructive way. You don't need to contest, but you need to be firm about the views you have. Like for example, if we ask you what is your take on the farmer agitation, not from the political perspective, we are just asking you, as a student, you are seeing this is the biggest thing which is happening in our country
Right.
and probably will have very very long term consequences. So how do you see that?
Well, sir, first of all, there are 3 laws that are being implemented. So, on the first law, that where farmers are allowed to keep the stock with themselves, स्टॉक पाइलिंग जिसे कहते हैं, तो ये इसमें मेरे को लगता है ये एक तरीके से गलत है. अगर गवर्नमेंट कह रही है कि आप स्टॉक अपने पास रख सकते हैं, बाद में आप सेल करें कभी भी, तो आप ये नहीं देख रहे कि फार्मर्स के पास इतनी फैसिलिटी नहीं कि वो क्रॉप ठीक से ग्रो कर सके. आप कह रहे हैं क्या आप अपने पास स्टोर कर लें. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये लॉ में मतलब आई थिंक देयर इज़ अ
ये
फॉल्ट.
लॉ में है?
यस सर.
क्या लॉ है?
ये आई थिंक दिस वाज अ लॉ कि फार्मर्स जैसे ब्लैक मार्केटिंग होती है, फार्मर स्टॉक पाइल कर लेते, बाद में मार्केट में बेचे जब रेट बढ़ जाते हैं, तो ये अलाउड नहीं था. दिस वाज नॉट अलाउड. अब इस लॉ में ये चीज़ अलाउ करी है कि फार्मर्स अपने पास स्टॉक रख सकते हैं.
नहीं तो ये अलाउ नहीं करनी चाहिए.
सर अगर अलाउ करें तो
if I am producing this, ठीक है, when I sell this to the market it goes for 10 rupees. After 3 months the rate goes to 20 rupees. Do you mean that I am the producer? I should not be allowed to retain it for 3 months so that I will not sell it for 10 rupees, I will sell it for 20 rupees.
सर इफ
So you want to deprive me, 10 rupees I can sell today also. ये तो पहली भी पोजीशन थी, सेम तो रहेगी. ऐसा तो कहीं नहीं है कि उसने असेंशली 3 महीने के बाद ही बेचना है. He can sell. If I don't have the capacity and I don't see like that, I can sell it today also. If I am given an opportunity that if I want and I feel that there are chances of growth, then I can retain it. Why should only the third person? You are selling it to somebody, he is retaining. The other person is retaining and selling it after some time at a much higher price. That person is not the producer. He is the only trader. Just that he has a capacity to buy it and keep it and then ultimately sell it. Then why should the producer who is doing all that hard work not be allowed to take a chance and do that?
Well, sir, first of all, not every farmer has the capacity to store.
Okay, then he can sell it immediately, but tomorrow he can create the that capacity.
Food is also is kind of an essential service, essential item, for which government interfere कि रेट जो है काफ़ी एक्सेस ज़्यादा हाई ना चले जाए, जिसके लिए अल्टीमेटली लॉ आया था कि आप स्टॉक नहीं कर सकते. तो अब अगर आप ये अलाउ कर रहे हैं कि स्टॉक करें, आपने पूरे फार्मर्स को एज अ होल देखा है, लेकिन आप
Do you know that what is the surplus we are having at the moment?
नो सर.
How much of grain, food grain, is every day wasted?
Yes sir.
Do you know?
I don't know the exact amount, but yes, I know about the fact that the lot of grains are being wasted. At,
So we want that a third person may be able to buy it and hold it and get the advantage, but we want to deprive that to the farmer.
sir, third, you are talking about the third person.
I am talking about so far third person could do it.
Yes sir.
FCI is doing that. So many other agencies are doing that. Every they buy the food grain, they keep that stock with them, they wait. All the paddy growers, you know, they are producing, selling the paddy. Where the same paddy is purchased by the rice millers and retained for a very long time. And after that, they get the benefit of the escalation. But what we are saying that please don't say that I don't want to argue on this. This is entirely off the track. What I want to say is this is happening right now. You cannot say that I think. No, you should have an opinion. You
I
say
mean,
that
it is not the subject which matters. It is to just analyze your way of presentation, and to improve upon that. The purpose is this only.
capacity to understand that subject. You know, the capacity to understand that I should have analyzed. I want to say no, I am against these laws and this should be done away with that. But I should have firm views on that.
Okay.
And there should be discussed and reasoned reasons, not just something off the cuff. I'm reading somewhere, I'm just listening to a YouTube speech and forming my opinion. No, as a person who is a professional with this kind of qualification, you need to learn and you need to analyze all these subjects. Please invest some time and
Sure, sir.
effort in this.
And during this monetary policy, what is the central bank is proposing with regard to the GDP numbers for the 21-22? What is GDP?
Gross domestic product, money value of all the goods and supply services produced during a financial year.
Yeah. So it is 10.5, which is they are arrived at.
Okay.
What is the inflation level?
4%. 4%.
It's come down from 6%. It was 6%. So it's come down approximately that.
What is deficit financing? We've heard a lot about it.
You're a commerce student.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Deficit financing and everybody is talking about that.
I will definitely look into the economic
So that's what I proposed in the beginning, that you should inculcate reading habits. It's not mugging up for the purpose of clearing your mains and all. Interviews are some different sort of this thing. It's an interactive one. It should be backed by the clear thoughts and the knowledge of the subject. And you being a commerce student, you will be expected to answer on these lines. That's why most of the questions we asked on the economics
The
and
only
banking.
thing which ensures that in the evening you sleep a better person than you woke up in the morning is what he has suggested reading.
Right.
This is the only thing which ensures you constant and steady growth of your mind and of your intellect. So this must be done. Unfortunately, this has been a casualty. As you said, you are reading as a student. school student. But now you are not reading. You know who are the persons who read maximum?
I don't know.
Maximum the persons who read are the CEOs of very large companies. Average a CEO of a top-notch company reads on an average one book per week.
But I mean,
You cannot say that there can be anybody busier than them.
Right.
so actually you deserve to be selected. You know what we are thinking on the basis of your presentation personality and communication skills. The only thing where you need to improve upon, this is what we are suggesting.
You need to polish yourself. Be more aware of what is happening. Spend some time, and note down these things, and then form an opinion. Form an informed opinion, not
Okay.
hearsay opinion. And you should be able to always think beyond that, whatever is being given. Learning that capacity to think out of the box. That is something which is very very much needed now. And the people who excel in life are only those people who have the capacity to think out of the box. You follow a pattern, then you are just ordinary. If you want to become
So
extraordinary,
now, how
learn
do you
to.
plan to, improve upon in the next 10 to 15 days before you appear for the final
Actually,
interview?
Well, I find myself weak in the economic section.
Hmm.
So I will definitely go with the budget and all the current affairs that is happening around the world.
It should be a way of life for you, no?
Right.
Hmm? It should
and
be a way of,
and get some enthusiasm, get some more energy. That is once we are telling you this, you feel that is energy sapping.
that
Okay.
is not the purpose.
So it should not happen like that.
Sure, sir.
Be enthusiastic, and be passionate about what you want to do. And then don't say that banking is a second option for me
Are you
because I could
sideways?
not do that, so I am coming here. Nobody likes to be, banking also doesn't want that you should come as a second option. Then they will say that we will look for other options. If you are if something is your second choice, then obviously you cannot be their first choice.
No, but you have been
Okay.
truthful. That is also a plus point, is a positive aspect. That yes, you tried for your CA, and it couldn't be you, not that lucky, maybe not that fortunate. It's okay.
No, but again, that can be rephrased. Even if you have to be very honest, you can tell that I had chosen in my life that I will try to become a chartered accountant, or if that does not succeed, a banker.
Okay.
So, chartered accountant I could not make because of some reasons. Then my parallel choice has been banking.
Parallel choice has been.
Parallel choice has been banking.
Parallel choice has been this.
So I wanted one of these two things. That did not click. Okay.
So
I'm here.
So yes,
okay.
be confident in saying, don't feel any remorse.
No, sir.
Okay,
Sure.
don't feel any remorse. It shouldn't reflect. That remorse should reflect. That's what sizing.
In fact, banking can be much more exciting career than a chartered
Chartered
accountant.
accountant.
I
Tendency.
tell you, the promotional avenues are quite good nowadays. The banks need, promising people.
Okay.
So definitely, this is one of the plus points.
The opportunities for growth, the opportunities to contribute. What I feel that
Both.
I say that good job is which pays you well. That's a good job. What's a great job? Great job is that which gives you an opportunity to make a change to others' lives. That is what the banking does.
Banking is.
Banking provides you an opportunity to change the lives of people and drive home with the confidence that yes, you have made a change.
Change in someone's life.
You
That
have
is very
contributed.
consoling. That is very satisfying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So work upon these.
Yeah, I will definitely reframe
things,
my answers.
and you have a chance.
And give this your maximum. Give this your best. We can assure you, we both spent around. I spent 37. You spent 40 years in the bank. So it's a thoroughly enjoyable journey. Very very rewarding. Very very satisfying. and end of the day you feel that yes, this was immense, a great opportunity given.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Anything
sir.
else you want to ask?
Any query you have, you can just ask.
No, sir.
Right. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.